Hey guys, what's happening? To recover your deleted TikTok account quickly, act fast. You have 30 days to restore your account before it's permanently deleted. Next, open up TikTok, okay? And make sure to log in using your account, using your phone, email, or username, okay? Next, what you're gonna do, if you can't log in using your account, let me log out to show you, right? Let me add an account. Sign in with another device. Basically, if you try to log in and you forgot your own password, right, what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead. Let me try to sign in using my own account, okay, in gmail.com. Hit continue. Okay, log in with password and then hit forgot password, and you can restore your account using phone or email. Next, submit an appeal. Go to your browser and just type appeal TikTok email, and you're gonna take or copy the TikTok email, and you're gonna just go to your preferred email, okay, preferred email platform, and I'm gonna hit the pencil at the bottom right, and just type your appeal, okay, and just explain your problem, which is my account was closed for no reason, please help me, okay. And obviously check your emails about your TikTok status, right, if you have received any. Lastly, use a VPN if you're still facing that problem. Go to the general in your settings, go to the VPN and device management if you set up your own VPN, or you can just use a third-party app, like just type VPN right here and pick the best platform, best apps, and as you can see right here, you can pick this app, for example, and start using or connecting to a place where they allow TikTok. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you the next time.